Find the equivalent of 110.111 base 2 in base 10. Solution. Now remember, the power for the one before the decimal point will be, from here we have 0, 1, and 2. Then we'll have -1, -2, and -3. Now when you are expanding by the power of the base, you can ignore for zeros because whatever you get there will still be 0. So we'll focus on the ones. So we'll have 1 multiplied by 2 with the power of 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 with the power of 1 plus the next digit is 0. Whatever we get there will still be 0, so we can ignore that and go to the next digit. So we have 1 multiplied by 2, which carries the power of -1, plus 1 multiplied by 2, power of -2, plus 1 multiplied by 2 with the power of -3. Now let's simplify. This will give us 1 times 4 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times. Now changing negative index to positive index, we would have 1 over 2 plus 1 times. Here we would have 1 over 2 squared, which is 4, plus 1 multiplied by 1 over 3 squared, which is 8. Now let's solve. For the whole number bit, we would be having here 4 plus 2. And then we add these two. 1 multiplied by half, which gives us 1 over 2, plus 1 multiplied by a quarter is still 1 over 4, plus 1 multiplied by 1 over 8 is still 1 over 8. So when we add these two, we get 6 whole number, which we are then adding to our fraction. So the fraction part, we take LCM. Now LCM of 2, 4, and 8 is 8. 2 in 8, that is 4. 4 multiplied by 1, and we have 4, plus 4 in 8, that's 2. Multiplied by 1, and we have 2, plus 8 in 8 is 1. Multiplied by 1, and we have 1. So we have 6 plus 7 over 8. So we can then say that this implies that 110.111 base 2 is equivalent to 6 whole number 7 over 8 in base 10. And that's the solution to this problem. You can go ahead and pick more questions from your textbook and try it applying these principles. Thank you.